Hello everyone, this is Khaldun with Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Barista Espresso machine. It comes to us with low or no pressure at all. So when I test the machine, I found out the machine needs a tune-up, and I was including descaling. So I descaled the machine twice. After I descaled it the first time, I don't understand why it asked the machine for another path of descaling. So I did it twice, and I give deep cleaning for the group head, and I replaced the group head gasket on the screen. Then I did deep cleaning for the steam one and the whole entire machine. Then I noticed the grinder needs to be cleaned and calibrated, so I did that, and I tied it from inside, so the numbers now when you put in 6 or 7 is gonna be super fine. So now I'm working on, I calibrated, so now it's on 12 and it's doing well with medium roast. So if you want to go for darker roast, so you need to go finer little bit in order to get the right pressure. So let's go ahead and test it. This supposed to shuffle it, and also once you get like more pressure, go coarser or go finer when you get less, or you can put less amount of coffee to get less pressure also. So I got this much before I tamp it. With tamping, it's this much. There you go. This is great shot coming out from this Barista Express. Look at the crema in the top, and if you leave it for a little bit, then you're gonna have 3 layers of coffee. That's cool. So let's test the hot water. That works perfect. And the steamer. It has some water in the system after I got the hot water. So works great. So the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.